Burris GP 1200 SBT engine replacement test run. Very powerful. Very powerful. It's running good. There's its idling. You'll see all the smoke because of the extra oil that we put in for break-in, as the manufacturer or the rebuilder recommends. The jet ski battery is not good, wouldn't hold a charge. We're running it on our battery charger right now to keep the systems running good. Very powerful ski, very desirable. Matthew is the technician that put it in. Hello, say hello, Matthew. Hey, let it idle. Will it restart on the charger? That's called a hot restart. So it's running very, very well. See if I can not get wet. Very powerful, very responsive. Carbs are rebuilt. Fuel lines have been serviced. Of course, the engine's completely rebuilt. 1 year no-fault warranty from the rebuilder, SBT. It's running great.